How to edit videos. Using AI editing videos with the help of artificial intelligence has never been easier. With just a few clicks, creators can now automate complex editing tasks that used to take hours. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how AI can help you edit videos faster, smarter, and with professional-level results, even if you have zero editing experience. First, open your preferred AI video editing tool. Some of the most commonly used platforms include Pictory, Runway ML, Descript, Wisecut, and Adobe Premiere Pro with AI-powered Sensei features. Once you're logged in or signed up, upload your raw video footage, or in some tools just paste in your script, images, or blog post. The tool will start analyzing your content. Using advanced machine learning algorithms, the AI will automatically detect key moments, facial expressions, voice tones, and even emotional highs and lows in your footage. In tools like Pictory, it will automatically generate a storyboard and choose appropriate visuals. In Descript, it transcribes the entire video and lets you edit your video just by editing the text. Cutting words from the text removes the actual video content instantly. Now comes the magic. The AI engine will clean up your audio by removing background noise, silences, and filler words. It can even level the volume and add automatic audio ducking so your background music never overshadows your voice. Need subtitles? AI generates them in seconds, often with near-perfect accuracy, and can even translate them into multiple languages. If your video has a messy background or unwanted objects, you don't need green screen or Photoshop-level skills. With tools like Runway ML, you can easily remove backgrounds, objects, or even people from a scene using AI-powered masking and in-painting. It's like having a visual effects expert working with you. The AI will also analyze lighting, exposure, and color levels in your footage and adjust them automatically to make your video look more cinematic. Some tools even offer style suggestions. If your content is emotional, dramatic, or corporate, the AI picks fitting music, transitions, and pacing accordingly. You can even generate voiceovers using lifelike AI voices if you don't want to record your own. After the automated editing is complete, you still have full control to fine-tune the result. You can add your own branding, choose your color palette, add logos, adjust subtitles, or change music tracks. Most platforms allow for drag-and-drop customization, so you don't need any technical skill to make professional-level edits. Once satisfied with your edit, you can export your video in HD or even 4K resolution. AI tools allow you to choose the best aspect ratio for your target platform, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. Some tools even let you publish directly from the dashboard, making it extremely convenient for content creators. The future of video editing is clearly AI-driven. These tools are not just about automation. They're about creativity, speed, and accessibility. With AI, anyone can become a video editor, save hours of work, and still produce stunning content. And the best part? These tools are evolving every day, adding smarter features that will continue to redefine what's possible. So if you're still doing everything manually, now is the perfect time to upgrade your workflow. Explore the AI tools out there, test what works best for you, and start creating videos that stand out in a crowded digital world. Thanks for watching, and we hope this inspired you to embrace the power of AI in your video editing.